Haha, bright AF. Hey, what's up, Glow Up Gang? I'm Positively Udo, and we are taking a look at the new month. I have a planner that keeps track of my entire year. This is Artist of Life by the YouTuber Lavender. I highly recommend it. I probably should have recommended it at the beginning of the year, but I didn't. But now I am. So I have a link in the description where you can get your own. If people give this a thumbs up, I might make a video showing exactly what's on the inside of here. But just know it's a really cool way to keep track of the year. And let's take a look at what I wanted to accomplish last month in April. There's a page for April goals, and I review it, and there's a page for April review. So in April, I really wanted to, oh yeah, this is personal. Okay. I'm gonna tell you, so April will be the month of adulting, where I feel like a normal adult that can do things. I wanted to consistently see a therapist and get on some form of medication. I wanted to have a zero budget. I wanted to minimize the items that I owned, and I wanted to decorate this new place. I wanted to find the will to live adult life. I was very depressed at the beginning of April. And I wanted to go back to work on a regular basis. And I thought, this month, maybe I can be a happy adult again. How did I do in April? And hopefully you have something like this where you keep track of your goals for the month and you also get to review them. So how did I do? I did pretty good. In fact, I did excellent. I found treatment, and I found something that worked for me. And I can't believe it, but I could not be depressed right now if I wanted to. Well, I take that back. I could, but the depression has definitely lifted. I found a website called youneedabudget.com. I'm going to try to get you guys a free trial, like a super long free trial of youneedabudget.com. But it's a way to do your budgeting, a budget system called Zero Budget, which if this gets enough likes or people are commenting on it, I'll make a video about what a zero budget is. But in the meantime, I'll have a link in the description to teach you what that is. But I've started doing that. And I sold and threw out many items. I threw out a lot of items, and I made over $500 on eBay selling items. And I could have made even more if I was a little bit more organized, but a lot of things ended up being thrown away, and found some amazing things. I can't believe all this happened in the month of April. April is like a really big month. Cured my depression, started a budget. I found 2 cats. I went from 0 to 2 real quick with the cats. Reduced expenses. Found a great deal on an RV so I can have my first rental property. So that was fantastic. What ways can I improve? I need to start using a schedule. I need to start doing habits again, working out, eating well, because goodness me, I have not been eating. And especially haven't been eating well. My projections for May, what do I want to do in May? Well, first thing is we need to take a look at the vision board. That's it behind me right now. So I made this vision board according to what one of my millionaire mentors recommended, because usually vision boards are just stuff that you like from magazines just all over. They're not usually very intentional. This vision board is very intentional, and maybe I'll explain it in a different video. I don't want this video to go on super long, but this side here are the habits that I wanted to be having. Take a look at Benjamin Franklin's schedule right there. So definitely I need to use a schedule. This fourplex or whatever, it represents real estate investing. Can't forget this, YouTube. 100,000 subscribers. Hey, buddy. What was that? Wait. Stop. This is not food, and it's not a toy. All right, so you always have to reflect, go back to the vision board, and make sure you're on track for the goals that you set up earlier in the year. First things first, the most important thing. So you need to have something where the month is a success if you get this done. This is the most important thing to you. You are so focused on this one thing. For me, I need 24,000 views in order to reinstate ad revenue because I did not survive the YouTube adpocalypse. They demonetized me. I need 24,000 views in order to get back on that list. So that's about the reason why I'm making this video. Porque necesito los views, okay? No shame. By the end of this month, I will have rented out my RV. Yes, my RV. I'm getting an RV. And it's for super cheap. By the end of this month, I will have rented out my RV as an Airbnb. By the end of this month, I will have renovated the bathroom. By the end of this month, I will start waking up at 6 a.m. again. Start being a productive member of society, like an ultra productive. Back to how I used to be when I was on, and see how long can I be on. Let's see if I can increase my on time, because in the past I could be on for a week, maybe 2, pushing it. Couldn't go longer than that. I want to see, now that I have the proper treatment for my depression, I want to see how far can they go. I shared with you the most important things. Thanks for watching, guys. It's an honor and a pleasure to be a part of your life and to you be a part of mine. Hit subscribe if you want more of this. And until next time, catch you on the flip side. Much love, much luck. Peace out.